In this video, we will learn how to use the WebCheck system to review a translation project. We click on the review icon. We enter in our project details, which will be provided in an email. When entering in these details, it is important not to keep the capitalization and not to add any additional spaces. Now we enter in the password. And click login. Now we are displayed the projects we have available for review. So we only have one project here, which is job 1. So that is selected, and then we click on this icon here to open that project. Within a particular project, we could have a number of files. However, for this project, we just have one file. So we're going to select that one file and we're going to open it. Now, the advantage of the WebCheck system is that it displays both the PDF and the corresponding translations. So when we go to the top here, we can see our pictures and our title. If we click here, we can see the corresponding translation for this particular title. And if we want to review it, we can. We can navigate using this icon here to bring us to the next page and the next page. And we can review our text with all the formatting and all of the layout. So if we find an error in our translation, we can click here, we can see our translations, and then we can make an edit. To make an edit, we use this icon, Edit Segment. This is a machine translation, so it's appalling. We're going to replace that with the correct translation. And we're going to save our changes. And we can carry on down through the other segments, making changes as needed. We can also add in comments. So if we had a layout issue, let's look at the previous page, we could, let's say, add in a comment here, and we could say something, please move the table below, it's too close to the text. When we've finished making all our changes, we use this icon to confirm all of our segments. This confirms our current one. If we go back to this particular segment that we looked at earlier, we can also see here's the original translation and here's our updated translations. We can revert back by using this, which will bring back our original translation. We can use the search icon to do find and replace. When we are finished, we press this to go back to the portal, and we click this icon here to finish the job. This notifies the project manager that that the changes you have made are now ready for review by a language professional. Having a language professional review your changes ensures that issues such as grammar and spelling and formatting are all correct. The last thing we do is we log out of the system, and now we are complete.